So Android 9 Pie just dropped, and there's a ton of videos out there that are really great and are going over all the different changes with Android Pie. But they keep missing one key feature that many of you within the This Is Tech Today community and beyond have been asking about. What about digital well-being? So let's take a deep dive into digital well-being, and I can also show you how to get your hands on it today, right after this. Hey friends, this is Brendan here with This Is Tech Today, your source for honest tech reviews, how-tos, and the news. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified when I post a video, and let's get right into it. First, if you want updates on all the changes that came with Android Pie, I've been following its development in the beta form, and you can check it out in the playlist up here. Now, what is digital well-being? It's a feature that Google has been working on for a while to help you understand the different ways that you use your phone, so you can focus on the things that matter, you can focus on relationships, and adjust the notifications on your phone. And it'll help you with winding down every night. Digital well-being is split into 3 different categories: the dashboard, the app timers, and wind down. You'll find digital well-being in your settings. When you load it up, you'll see the overview screen as well as the 3 areas of focus within digital well-being. When you look at the overview screen, you'll see how much screen on time you've had today. And that's not the same metric that you'll find in the battery settings. This is how much screen on time you've had within a 24-hour day. You're able to see your commonly used apps and can tangibly see how much of your time is using which app. When you click on a specific app, you can go into a more detailed look of your use of that app. Within it, you can see how much time you've used with that particular app by day and hour. You can even look at previous dates and your usage by day of the week and see whether you're more prone to use a certain app more often on the weekends than the weekday. And below you can see how often you check your phone under unlocks or how many notifications you've received for that day. Now let's check out the dashboard and app timers. With the dashboard, you can access it either by clicking on the time in the center of the overview screen or by clicking on dashboard under ways to disconnect. Under the dashboard, you can see the data it has collected per day. In the blue bar, you can actually toggle between screen on time, notifications received, and times opened. The app timers show up in the list below, and it will change depending on which option you choose. With that list, you can choose how long you can use each app. If you set a time limit and you reach that limit, it will not only gray out the icon to grayscale, but it'll also give you a warning saying that this app isn't available. Instagram is paused because your app timer ran out. To change settings, tap Learn More, and you can go in and change the time limit. Of course, you can always go in there and change the setting. It's not like a math problem or puzzle that you have to solve like my alarm clock that requires me to do math in order to wake up. It's brutal, but it's good. Anyways, you can actually go into the settings and either adjust the time limit that you have set for that app or even remove it altogether, and then you can allow the app to continue crushing your soul. Now let's check out wind down. Under wind down, you can toggle it on and off. And this is a setting where everything on your screen becomes gray. This is one of the solutions given by Vox in their video, It's Not You. Phones are designed to be addicting. So this will help you control the phone rather than the phone controlling you. Within wind down, you can set a start and end time for when it goes to grayscale, and even control your do not disturb settings. There's even the option to adjust the settings for your nightlight, and that's where you're able to remove the blue colors from your screen and it adjusts the color temperature so it's a bit warmer. That helps you go to sleep a bit easier. One other feature of digital well-being is a centralized location for managing your notifications. You can go through every app and either turn off all notifications for an app or specific components of an app. In most cases, you can go into the advanced notification settings of a specific app and make changes. Ooh, does digital well-being make you feel maybe a bit anxious and vulnerable? I think that's probably a good thing, but I'm wondering what you guys think. Go ahead and leave some comments down below on how you feel about all of this and maybe even some features that you found that I didn't talk about. Oh, and if you want to download Digital Wellbeing, you can either sign up on the actual Digital Wellbeing beta website or they'll send you an email to join the beta. For me, I signed up at 11 a.m. and I got it at 5:45 p.m. And if you're not the patient type, you can download it from APK Mirror right now. It's totally a super safe website to download APKs, and it's run by Android Police, so they check every file to make sure you're safe. When you download the APK, if you haven't already, you'll have to give your phone permission to install it. There's just a setting in Chrome that you have to check. Once you do that, it'll show up in your downloads by default, and you can install it there. There's links down below in the description if you want to explore either of those options. Oh, and one more thing, and I'm going to put down my script here. I just reached 1 million views, and I just want to say thank you so much to all of you who have watched me over the course of this year and a half. I just did not expect this to happen. In the middle of January of 2017, I just started making videos just because I wanted to help out and to talk about tech things that I love, and to have creativity and an opportunity to learn how to shoot video and mess with fancy lights and stuff, and to be able to have an impact with all of you and that you appreciate my voice and the things I do. I'm so appreciative of it. All the stupid light. Anyways, I'm incredibly grateful for all of you, and I'm humbled by it. And I'm really excited for what's ahead. So stay tuned. Make sure to hit that like button, share the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon if you haven't already. And yeah. Oh yeah. Check out my S9 Plus video off to the side. And yeah, thanks for watching This Is Stuck today. Until next time. Thank you.